Got a bloody finger out of it too.
This is Christy. This is my mom and dad.
Hi. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Hi. Burning hair.
That's Elle, Talis, Matt.
There we go.
Oh, it's stinky.
We have fire.
Oh shit.
I just set the date for my LASIK surgery.
No way.
June 1st.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm very excited.
Is that period?
Just do this by scratch?
Yes. Flint and steel.
Oh, I missed it.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm sorry. I had to
Sure, I'll
find
be
my
doing it
parents.
tomorrow or something.
I will be here.
That's pretty awesome.
Flint is actually, in comparison, Flint is like a cheating.
Yay! Oh, it smells like sage.
That would be the hair.
Oh my god.
Isn't it delicious?
Hair.
Dog
Hair.
There's
There was dog hair all over the place, so we picked some up.
too. It's everywhere.
Wow, okay, Dave, that finger is bleeding pretty bad.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How did you do that?
The Flint and
I'm
steel.
stuck. I see
Flint
fire.
is
I
very
ain't moving.
sharp.
You gonna be
You know
okay?
what,
Yeah.
Pete? I didn't know, but I got 3 black powder. I got one flintlock
Ready to go back to now?
with flash pan. I've got 2 percussion black powder guns. One's pistol.
Let me know if you want my shaker.
Go good. Stop showing
Convinced him
me.
to join Shark this summer. Can I fix it?
Yeah. You feel like doing that right now?
No.
Oh, okay.
You're wearing it.
I know. Yeah, you can just cut it
You
out.
don't threaten to break her camera.
Yeah, but
Well, like that they're okay. But yeah, going up a storm.
Can you pull me some more hay out?
You sweating already?
you know what?
Where did the spears go?
You don't have to grab everything. You're just doing too many things at once.
It's fine, that's why I'm offering. We had this discussion yesterday, remember?
Bring the food, I guess.
Okay.
And if you can bring somebody else with you to grab the feast gear box.
That should
That's in your tent?
Oh yeah, let me grab that.
It's the big treasure chest behind the little rickety tin table.
You want the entire bottle?
You're making a documentary.
I'm just filming everything.
Oh yeah.
No fisticuffs. Is it Karen? Do you know where we put those spears?
Oh, that's. I got it up.
Where?
Is there blood all over it?
No.
Oh.
It's your choice.
AJ!
You're being volunteered.
Come hither. We're going to camp.
I'll readjust this later.
These things are friggin' tall. Ta-da.
Drill.
I'm not doing drill, you're doing a fight.
Doing a slide? All right.
I shall record.
What pieces?